I'm Paige Cruz, Senior Developer Advocate over at Chronosphere, which is a cloud-native observability company built on open source. So before GoLinks, my life was a lot of keeping personal bookmarks and personal indexes of where knowledge lived. And that meant people would come to me all the time because they knew I knew where stuff was, but I didn't want to be, I don't like being a router. I think that information should be very democratized and easy for everyone to access. It is a lot easier for me to say, oh, go/paige-stat, which is where I keep my weekly notes, or go/speaking. That's where all of my team's talks live, our talk repository. So for me, it really enables other people, which helps save me time. And it means the time that I spend collaborating with other people is on higher value things, not how do I find where the HR policy is for reimbursements. Would I recommend GoLinks? Absolutely. That is a no-brainer. I never want GoLinks to go away. So I will use it and promote it internally as much as possible.